Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Amalia Putri with name 2023-3169 from class C Information System. Okay, I will explain the program that has been created. The HTML code above represent an interactive web form created for laboratory report 003. This web page allows user to enter personal data and receive a dynamic output open from submission. The document start with the declaration doc type HTML. They specify that it is written HTML5. The root element HTML language ID indicates the language of the content is Indonesia. In the head section, various metadata and external results are included. The meta cursor, the tag, ensure the web page support a wide range of characters by using UTF-8 encoding. The meta name field report content with device with initial scale 1.0 that enable responsive design, making the web page adjust correctly on mobile device. The title, text set, and title of the page as whichever on the browse data, the link tagline tackling the external CSS file used to style the page layout, font, and other elements. However, there is an unnecessary space in the file name that might cause issue. So, it is advisable to rename it as the body contains the main content visible to the user. The first element is a center heading one that display the title of the form. Following that, a div with the ID and class alert hidden is defined. This element acts as a warning box that appears if the user tries to submit the form without filling in the origin file contains a close button that when clicked calls the function from the JavaScript file to hiding warning. The central component of the pack is formed with the ID formulaire which are defined into multiple rows using div calls. The first row contains the input file for the username and student ID number or name. The second row includes the origin file, a drop-down menu to select a favorite lecture, and the date input to enter the break date. The drop-down offers the three options. Uh, Agus Mulyanto, Yuni Roza, and Yesi Asri. The row collect information about the user favorite file and favorite AI system, but using simple text input file. The final row contains a submit button labeled which adds style to take the full weight of its container. Below the form there is another div with the ID which server as the container where output data will be displayed after the form is successfully submitted. The area remains empty until the user submit the form with valid data. At the end of the HTML document, a script tag is used to include an external JavaScript file java1.js. This file handles for the form submission logic, input validation, warning display, and dynamic rendering of the output, especially if the file is left empty, the script will prevent from submission and display the warning box. If all inputs are correctly filed, the script will compile the submitted data and display it in the output section where each result is enclosed in a style box with a close button that allow user to remove individual output items. The JavaScript code provides a user control and manage the interactivity of our form. It begins by selecting the required HTML elements using the ID as the form element from the output container and warning box. These elements are stored in constant to make them easy to access throughout the script. The purpose of the script to is filed from input show a warning when necessary and dynamically display the user submitted data. The first function is responsible for hiding the warning message when the user clicks the close button. This is done by adding the CSS class hidden to the specific element, effectively removing it from view. Another function is used to remove an individual output box from the pack when its close button is clicked. The function targets the parent element of the click button and remove it from the DOM. The core of the script lies in the submit event listener attack to the form when the user submit the from the event prevent default function stop the default form submission behavior, allowing the script to process the input manual the script, the retrieve the value from various input file, such as name, origin, favorite lecture, date of birth, favorite file, and favorite AI system. A validation check is performed specifically on the origin file. It is left empty and contains only space. The warning box is sound by removing the hidden class, and the script stop execution. If the validation process the warning hidden again and the script dynamically generates several output boxes displaying the submitted value. Each box includes a close button that allows the user to remove the particular entry. This CSS style sheet defines the basic styling for a client and user-friendly web form interface. The body selector sets the background color the white applies to Arial font for all text, adds padding to the back content, remove the default margin, and use boxing size. They ensure consistent stitching for all elements. This one selector styles the main pack little by centering the text, removing the top margin, and adding spacing below the heading for better separation from other content. The front row class arranged for input filed in horizontal layout using Flexbox. It ensured that the file work to the next line when necessary, add space between them, avoid a gap of 20 pixels, and provide a button margin to separate it from other rows inside form row. Each div container is set to be flexible in wide, width, and manual relevance content overload issue. Label elements are styled to display as blocks so they appear above their corresponding input file A. Button margin of 6 pixels and 8 for spacing and font weight C mix text both for better visibility. Finally, all input and select elements are styled to copy the file, the full width of their container. Include internal padding for spacing, have a line gray border, slightly rounded corners for a modern look, and use box sizing border box to include padding and border in their total width conclusion. Okay, thank you.